again, guys, here we are trying to factor when a is not equal to 1. And I'm going to show you a new way you could do this, which is called factoring by grouping. The first thing you want to do is you still want to identify your a, your b, and your c. So first, let's figure out what these are. Well, my a is 4, my b is 25, and my c is negative 21. Now that we know this, guys, let's go ahead and still do our diamond method. Remember, that's a times c and b on top. Well, what's a times c, guys? What's negative 21 times 4? Well, that would be negative 84, correct? And our b is simply 25. Well, here's where it gets fun, guys. What two numbers multiplied is negative 84, but adds to 25? It's a tricky one, guys. It's a very tricky one. So I'm actually going to tell you guys. Would you guys agree it's 28 times 3? Negative 3? 28 times 3? There it is. So when you multiply them, it gives you negative 84, but when you add them, it's 25. Now, we're not done here, though. Watch out. What we just did, guys, we basically split the middle number, the 25. We split it into what, 28x and the minus 3x. Because, guys, wouldn't that still give me 25? Yes, it does. So here's what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and we already know our a's. Let's erase this real quick. We're going to go ahead and write our new polynomial, 4x squared plus 28x minus 3x minus 21. And this is why we call it factoring by grouping. We have four numbers and letters, or 4 numbers. We're going to go ahead and cut them in half. We're doing it by groups now. This is one group, and here's another group. So let's factor each one by grouping. Let's look at this one first. 4x squared plus 28x. I know I can take out an x, correct? But can I also take out a 4 from both? Wouldn't that leave me with, well, here's x plus 7, right? Now look at this one over here on this other side. They both negative. What if I took out a negative something? Well, that's a 3 and that's a 21. Couldn't I just take out a negative 3? That would make that a positive x and a positive 7. Well, this is exactly what we're trying to achieve, guys. Once your parentheses are the same, you know you did this problem correct. Because then our answer is simply, my first answer is whatever's inside the parentheses. They have to be the same. X plus 7. And my other answer is whatever's on the outside, which was 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3. And you are done factoring. That's how you do it.